Our next awardee for Outstanding Civic Leader, Mr. D. Edgard A. Cabangon. He is the chairman and CEO of the ALC Group of Companies, a conglomerate involved in various industries such as media, insurance, banking and finance, hospitality, real estate, and more.
These Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interests of its clientele. Given on the occasion of the 8th MCLE Accredited National Convention of Public Attorneys on August 12 to 17, 2024 at the Philippine International Convention Center, PICC, given this day of August in Pasay City, Philippines.
Magandang gabi sa atin lahat. Distinguished guests, Chief Public Attorney, Ma'am Persidida Acosta, members of the Public Attorney's Office, esteemed colleagues and friends, good evening. I am truly honored to be here receiving this award from the Public Attorney's Office. I am grateful and humbled by this recognition. Maraming salamat po. Just this week, two of our companies, Eternal Gardens and Batangas Ventures, celebrated their anniversaries. During my speech, I shared a quote from my late father, Ambassador Antonio Lim Cabangon-Chua, who wisely said, the best fertilizer of any business endeavor is the footprint of the owner. This sentiment resonates strongly with the work of public attorneys. Much like a business, the Public Attorney's Office strives on the dedication, integrity, and passion of its members. Your commitment to upholding justice, advocating for those who cannot advocate for themselves, and ensuring that the rule of law prevails is a legacy of service that enriches our society. Your footprints are the true markers of progress and fairness. Ang inyong trabaho ay hindi lamang isang propesyon, kundi isang misyon. I once aspired to become a lawyer. I pursued my legal education in UST. However, on my third year, my dad encouraged me to focus in helping him in his businesses. I don't have any regrets, as I have always carried the spirit of justice and dedication in my work. Sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat desisyon, ang ating tunay na layunin ay hindi lamang magtagumpay, kundi magbigay ng makabuluhang kontribusyon sa ating komunidad. and I have strived to live by these words, drawing inspiration from my dad, from his belief that our true purpose is to make meaningful impact on our community. Before I end, please allow me to say this. This award, I have to dedicate this to my dad. Dad, I love you. Asahan po ninyo na patuloy na magiging kaagapay ng inyong ahensya, ang ALC Group of Companies. Muli, maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you.
Once again, our awardee for Outstanding Civic Leader, Mr. D. Edgar A. Cabangon, President, Filipino Mirror Group Corporation.